Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to show you how to install the Pac-Man Live Wallpaper in any Android device. Yes friends, I'm getting plenty of comments regarding the Pac-Man Live Wallpaper and icon theme as well. And right now finally I did install the application in my device, and this Pac-Man Live Wallpaper basically comes pre-installed with the OnePlus Nord 2 Pac-Man edition. So that's something you should definitely understand. But if you want to install this live wallpaper in your device, I'll explain you step-by-step process how you can actually do that. So if you want to download and install this live wallpaper, so you just need to download from my Telegram group, which I did create. So let me show you friends where you can actually find Telegram group. So try to go to the about section in my YouTube channel, okay? So simple way, and you can check in the links in the description as well in the comments or links. I'll try to pin the comment, and try to go to the about section, and there you can actually find the link from the Telegram. Try to click on the Telegram link, and that will directly take you to the Telegram channel, and there you can actually download the complete APKs. So for this live wallpaper, you just need to install two different APKs which are available at this moment. As you can see friends, two different APKs. So once you install these two APKs, which are compulsory, you need to install to get this kind of live wallpaper. So once after you install, you will just be able to access one live wallpaper application, which is a OnePlus wallpaper config. So try to click on the OnePlus wallpaper config, and then you'll be able to select the 5 different options which are available. And the first two are Pac-Man kind of live wallpaper edition, and the three are kind of different wallpapers which I'll try to explain you clearly. So first two, let's explore what is happening with the first wallpaper. So it takes some time to load as well. This is another kind of unique thing. So I'll get this kind of live wallpaper first one, and next is about the Pac-Man next live wallpaper, as you can see. So total there are two different live wallpapers present in this OnePlus Nord 2. I mean in terms of the wallpapers link, and this different type of wallpapers. So these are not that unique and any kind of great, because we did see previously in other OnePlus phones as well, basically this kind of wallpaper theme. But definitely friends, in case if you want to install the Pac-Man edition of live wallpaper, then this is the method. And this is my Telegram channel name, which is SciTech Guru YT. You can actually join in my Telegram channel as well. They'll definitely post the APKs as soon as possible. That's it friends, thank you for watching, and just a simple method to install. And there is also Pac-Man icon pack also available, which I'll try to post the link in the Telegram group as well, icon pack. So we can actually get this kind of different kind of icon looks as well for the Pac-Man icon theme. That's it friends, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And this is how you can actually install the live wallpaper of the Pac-Man in any Android device. See you in the next video friends, and stay tuned, and don't forget to check out the playlist for the live wallpapers. So because the playlist will contain definitely a lot of videos similarly like this regarding the best live wallpaper of the day. Click on that and you will be able to access all the wallpapers. So that's it friends, thank you for watching, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, and bye.